So this is one of the biggest questions I get all the time when I'm on live under the comment sections of all my videos. And the question is, how do I stay so consistent on all social media platforms? How am I able to post multiple times every single day? Do I get burned out? How do I structure my content? How do I go about filming my content so that I have enough videos so that I always have something to post? I always have something to edit, and I can stay consistent and post every single day and avoid burnout in the best way possible. So in this video, we're gonna be talking about the power of batch recording your content. And basically what batch recording your videos is that when you go to sit down and record video, you don't just go record one video every time you want to drop. So if you want to drop every single day and you want to record one video every single day, you're going to get burnt out. Some days you're not going to feel like recording. Some days you're not going to feel like wanting to be on camera. You're not going to want to talk to people. You don't want to do any of that. That's human nature. That's what we do all the time. So the best way to avoid this is to just come up with a schedule of days that you want to actually go and record. Me personally, whenever I record, I go ahead and I sit down and record at least 3 to 6 videos every single time. And the reason why it's a range between 3 and 6, because some days, like I just said, I don't feel like recording, but I know I gotta record more than just one. So I always let myself at least do 3, and then those days where I'm feeling good, it's gonna be 6 and even more sometimes. Another thing people always talk about is having a balance in their life so that they can still work the job that they have and they can still be consistent on social media. And if you don't have a regular job, you just posting on social media, how you can stay consistent and still spend time with your family and still have a life outside of just working on your social media content. And that's another big advantage of batch recording your content, because you might only sit down. When I go and record 3 to 6 videos, I'm only sitting down for maybe an hour or 2 max. And then after that, I got 3 to 6 videos. So every time I want to sit down and edit some videos, I got a bunch ready and I could just get right into it. And a lot of people that's been locked in on YouTube for a while now, y'all also know that YouTube Shorts is something that's popping off. It's something I talk about on this channel all the time and how it's benefited my channel and helped me grow exponentially. That's another big pro of recording your long form content, because then you could take little clips from each long form video and make a short out of it. Say all your long form videos is maybe 10 minutes max. You could probably get 2 to 5 short form content videos from that video, and sometimes even more. So now you just turned a session of recording 3 to 6 videos into about 20 plus pieces of content, and that's really going to help you to continue to be consistent. So every day you have something to post, and then you can even edit ahead of time so that you don't have to edit every day as well. Sometimes I find myself going ahead and editing every morning, so I have my content ready and I just start editing videos. And sometimes I like doing it that way because it gives me something to do. But depending on what I got going on, sometimes I do edit things in advance, so that way I can just have them scheduled out on social media and I can have them post at a certain day and time. So every video that y'all see of mine is not the only video that I recorded in that day, and chances are that the next video y'all see me post is gonna be from the same exact setting. Another piece of sauce that I've been putting people on to is going live. Going live for me has allowed me to go ahead and sit down for just an hour or 2 and I get questions live and I could go ahead and answer them. And from doing that, I'm basically getting a bunch of video ideas just by going live, because people asking me questions, and when I answer those questions, typically that's something I could turn into a short form piece of content. And most of the time when I go live, like I said, I go for about an hour, hour and a half. I get about 20 plus pieces of content that I can go ahead and repurpose and post as shorts and TikToks and Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels and all that good stuff. And that helps me be even more consistent. So sometimes, say if I don't want to film long form videos, I could also just turn on the camera and go live and then get about 20 plus pieces of content in about an hour and a half. But hey man, with that being said, if you somebody that's looking to start making content, there's no better place than YouTube to go ahead and start doing that. So down below I have a link to a tool called TubeBuddy, which you can download for free, and it's gonna help you get the best tags for your videos, the best topics to go ahead and talk about, how those topics rank in the search engine, and overall how you can grow your channel faster than everybody starting a channel right now. So make sure you go ahead and download that link to a tool called TubeBuddy down below. It's completely free. But with that being said, that is the end of the video. Make sure you go ahead and leave a comment down below with any questions that you got, and also go ahead and add on to the topic. Let me know your thoughts. And if you rock with the video, make sure you go ahead and hit like. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. And I'm out of here, man.
Whoa, goddamn, I've been winning independence since I stepped up in it. I've been on the road tide, we ain't never finished. Trust the way we've been living, I'm way more in it than they been in. For this spot I'm defending, I never let them breathe. Guess I'm just a different breed, I'm coming from the streets, now niggas flying over 7 seas.